Hello guys, we are actually here to make a tour of a garden on Jackie's garden. So Jackie will take us around and actually show us what he has in his garden. Okay, let's go.
Dus ja, dat zijn de weidebloemen. Dat is eidenkruid.
Yes, we have this already.
Dit is de neem.
Yeah, this is the Indian star.
Dat zijn tulpen, maar die zijn uitgebloemd.
Yes, these are tulpen. They have already flowered. It's
Dat
gone.
zijn begonias.
This is the begonia, and you can see it. It's yet to come. So we are actually going around so that Jackie show us what he has in the garden. Garden tour for Jackie.
Dat is een perenboom.
Yeah, this pear, for those one in Africa, you know, we don't call this pear because they call avocado pear. But here in Europe, this is what we call pear, and it is so nice. Jackie has got a very nice one. This is how the fruit look like. So this is a very nice tree for Jackie. You can see he really know how to keep a garden very clean. Hey Jackie, clean garden.
Dat zijn geraniums.
You see, this one's very nice.
Dat is een kerselaar.
Oh my God, this is one of my very nice fruit. You see it? That's Kersen. I really love it. One of my best, and Jackie has a whole tree here growing. And this is what we call borage. If you have borage, you know that you have so many bees. And when the bees are here, all the fruits will bear very well. That's why you see this is some sort of companion planting, in where Jackie has put the borage just close to his fruit trees, so that when this one will invite the bees to come around and fertilize the tree for more fruit. So you see, the whole place is very clean, neat and tidy. And Jackie has here a sitting space for us to sit and relax. His kitchen very clean. You can see his plants are all over the place. Isn't this wonderful? You see? Oh my God. Oh my God. So these are the seeds. These are the seeds that Jackie is